Good morning, students. So today we'll see the first chapter of First Flight, that is a letter to God. So before we start the topic, we'll go through the word meanings. So what are the word meanings? The first, valley, a low area between hills and or mountains. Generally it is V shape or U shape. Then crest, a top of a mountain or hill. It is also called a peak. Then ripe or reap, it is fully developed. Harvest, gathering in of the crops. Downpour, heavy rainfall. Predicted means estimated that what will happen. Approach, come nearer to. Then pleasure means a feeling of happy satisfaction. Exclaimed means cry out suddenly in surprise or strong emotion. Exposing means make something visible. Regard means consider or think of in a specified way. Draped means covered, generally covered with a cloth or something. Frozen means a liquid having turned into ice. Plague is an usually large number of insects which are causing damage to crops or something else. Locust, these are some insects, that type of insects which generally fly in swarms and destroy the crops. Solitary means a dawn or existing alone. Conscience means an inner sense of right or wrong. Then comes peso. Peso is a currency of several Latin American countries. Then amiable is friendly or pleasant. Evident, clearly seen or understood. Goodwill means kindness. Deed, an action that is performed. Then contentment means satisfaction. Wrinkling means make or cause lines or folds. Affixed means stick or attached. Crux, the hooked staff. Now we will discuss about the summary of the lesson, a letter to God. Here the main theme of the story, a letter to God, is a letter to God is a story of extreme faith in God. A man whose name is Lencho, he has extremely faith on God. Through this story, the writer G.L. Fuentes has tried to depict the invincible and insurmountable faith in God of the simple poor farmer. Lencho was a poor, honest and hard-working farmer. Hence, he wrote a letter to God and asked God to send him money. So this is the theme of the story. Now the summary is, Lencho was a dedicated agriculturist. He was expecting a decent harvest, yet sadly a hailstorm came and destroyed his harvest totally, as Lencho was staying on a valley, high peak valley. Lencho was very sad, but he had strong belief in God. He was sure that God would definitely help him. He was an extremely straightforward man. He composed a letter to God. In the letter, he asked God to send him 100 peso. At that point, he went to the post office and put the letter into the post box. Why this has happened? Because Lencho was extreme faith on God. He thought that whatever he has lost, that will recover from the God. The postman removed the letter from the letter box. He read the letter address on it and laughed. Why? Because the address was to God. Badly, when he rushed to the postmaster and demonstrated to him the strange letter, the postmaster also chuckled in the same way. Chuckled means he was astonished in the same way. What happened? Because it is the letter to a God. They all laughed. When he saw the address of the God, when he read the letter, he got very serious. He lauded this man who had extraordinary confidence in God. He decided to help him. He asked the employees of the post office to give money, whatever anyone want. He gave a part of his salary, but they were able to collect only a little more than half the money requested by Lencho. The postmaster put the money in the envelope. So how much they collected? They collected 70 peso. Then the postmaster keep that money inside an envelope and addresses it to Lencho. Next Sunday, Lencho came again to the post office. He asked if there was a letter for him or not. The postmaster took out the letter and gave it to Lencho. Lencho was not surprised at seeing this money. But when he counted the money, he became angry. He thought that God could not have made this mistake. As he has so much faith in God, he thought that I have asked for 100 pesos, so God must give me 100 pesos. Now the pesos are 70 pesos, so that's why he got angry. He took paper and ink and wrote another letter to God. Then he put the letter into the letter box. After Lencho had gone, the postmaster and the employees read the letter. Lencho had complained to God that he had received money 70 pesos only. This time he requested to God send him the rest of the money, but he asked God not to send the money through mail. He wrote that the post office employees were a bunch of crooks who might have stolen the money. So this is total of the summary. Okay, in the next class we will discuss the question answers. Thank you.